Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all are you fine. Today my topic is about sample section. I'll try to give a little concept about sample section and type of samples. Development sample. This is from beginning stage. Buyer প্রদত্ত spec sheet and by available fabric and trims, these sample are made. Then buyer will check details and if okay, even if need any change like measurement or little construction, then they remake by factory. Then they proceed to next step. Sample room will make the sample. This is proto sample, proto or feed sample. It is made by actual thread count and though available fabric but need to be correct fabrication and also available button but correct liner. Here also buyer sometimes can change very little things. Then they go to next step, means pre-production sample. This sample made by sample room. Pre-production sample. This also made by sample room. It is called pre-production sample. Without this vendor cannot proceed for bulk production. Sometimes PP sample are approved with few comments which need to correction. This sample made by sample room. After PP approved, factory go to make size sets. Side sets are made by production line. Together correction PP sample, so it is called PP meeting also. Factory will submit 2 pieces with all actual trims and size sets for cutting approval. Buyer QA will check all size with pattern and with approved PP sample. If everything okay, then he or she give permission to cutting. Salesman sample must be made by actual material streams. This kind of sample are made by sample room. This kind of sample for showroom display purpose so that customer can confirm about next product or coming soon product. Photoshoot sample. This sample also made by sample room. Buyer take this type sample for promotion purpose. By model, they do modeling for publicity. Very important sample this one. Top of production sample, TOP, top of production. So it means top of production, and from first production stage need to be pick this type sample to send buyer so that buyer can see what type of product going on and what type of garments factory will go to ship. This is made by production line. Shipment sample. So this also made by production line. So from bulk after shipment, so this shipment factory send this type of sample to buying office so that merchant can review what type of goods factory shipped. Counter sample now. So counter sample in the factory for reference purpose, keep 1 piece or 2 pieces. Sometimes should be color wise also. This is spec. According to spec, they will make pattern. This is depends on buyer. Sometimes some buyer will send e pattern. Sometimes some buyer not send e pattern like that. This is sketch and the coming one, this is picture, garments picture, and this one say the base pattern how to do it here. I already shown my earlier video. So this one is here is this is pattern digitalized table. This is computer pattern cutting table. See, this is mini marker he doing. He will send to merchant. So merchant will he is very important this one. So he can contact with the buyer regarding the consumption purpose, booking purpose. So sometime this one say after pattern cutting. So here if need some correction he can do. All buyer is not allowed this one, but some buyer can accept. So doing little correction here. This is the sample section. Here the sample section operator, very nicely she operating this one, very experienced operator. This one also she making sleep sightseeing. See, very nicely she operating and very carefully. See, this is approved sample. Also sample card also there. See, according to sample category factory, we'll follow next step. Yes, and dummy. This one also. The guy doing dummy fitting. See, here physically you can see in the video. Very nicely he's going to fit in. See, it's nice color, fitting also very nice. See, so in the video you can see very nice. Wow, great. You have seen in the video the fittings how to do. So this is all approved sample with tag. You can see they are hanging with the garments, the tag. In the tag sometimes few comments also there, which sometimes need to be correction according to comments. There is according to sample category, they will follow for next step. So a lot of garments here. See, so viewers, it was my today's topics. If you think this video good for you, please like, share and subscribe who not yet. Please. Thank you for watching.